Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. And those who are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the shooting star candle, which form at 20 days or at 30 or 40 days higher level, that I'm going to discuss about in this video, and I'm going to create you the scanners. Okay, this scanner is not publicly available, so it is available only on my Telegram channel. That is what a paid channel. So if you wish, and you can join, and if you know how to create that, you can create your own, and I'm going to show you that how to create the code also. Okay, recently we are discussing about the hammer candle, which is happening on 20 days lower level and 20. Recently, we find some stocks like Canara Bank and RBL Bank, some other stocks which given you some good opportunity based on this hammer, and we find out a reversal. And RBL Bank also today it works well. Yesterday it works well, and today it was struggling. But that breakout which given you such a good result. Okay, some stocks we find out the hammer at the bottom level. After finding that hammer candle, so we maybe try to focus for a trading opportunity that we can create intraday also based on that hammer. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the shooting star. I think yesterday those who are watched about Adani Port. Adani Port, it's exact shooting star candle at the top level. If you find out this topmost level, we find a shooting star, and it broke in the level in the early morning around 7:30, and then it down to 709. So more than 20 points move from that top level. So that is what we are going to find out such a kind of candlesticks at the top level. So the most important, if you want to find out all the stocks, and if you're manually tracking is quite impossible. So that's why we use the charting scanners to find out such as stocks. And after finding the stocks, we may be deciding the whether what kind of trade we can go for. Okay, so let me start that how to create it, and already we have a customized indicators on our charting. So directly I'm going to create that one. Simply I'm going to use for a future and option stocks. If you want to make changes, you can use for like a future, even you can increase whatever the list of stocks, Nifty 500, 50, or even Bank Nifty stocks alone, futures. So just I'm going to do with the options trade, and I'm finding out futures. So based on the same candlesticks pattern, I find out some opportunities today in this particular options around 11 rupees, and it went up to 17.85. So almost near about 7 rupees. It given you such a good opportunity. Initially it fall down, but after that it recovered back. So we told you in the early session, and based on our live session today, we find out those opportunities on 5 minutes time frame. And here is the breakout. We find out around 390, and it went up to 540. After that it reversed back, but no problem. So initial stage where we are connecting on our live session, we find out the trade opportunity that was working better and good. Okay, so if you want to join the live session for tomorrow, just I will provide you the link in the description. You can join on my live session. That live we are doing on first 1 hour to find out the trade opportunities. Okay, so I'm going to find out the future and option shares. And first of all, initially we created. So I'm going to try to create on a daily time frame. First of all, the hammer shooting star here. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to do with the open low. The latest open low must be multiplied by a number. I need a 2 times of that open low. That is the value of the open low must be less than, and simply I just go with the high minus open, the high level and minus open. So those are the first conditions which I used for to find out a shooting star candle at the top level. The second condition, the range of that particular candle. So why we are using a particular thing? So only two comparison we can do with the charting scanners. We have modified and a custom indicator that will help us to make even multiple comparisons. So that is the reason we are using customized scanner. And in my website, we are going to make some. Initially, we already done the basic charting course. Now I'm going to plan for advanced charting creation course, and that will be soon available on my channel, on my website, and it must be greater than the candle size. Okay, so those are the two conditions which I used, and another one more conditions I need a negative day. That means the closing of that particular day and the current day closing must be less than the open price of the day. So it will fetch the candle should be the negative candle, and high greater than. So we are going to fetch that highest day high should be greater than maximum. Previously we used minimum, here we are using a maximum. So here we are going to always use minus 1 day in 20 candles high. Okay, so now the code is ready. This is what a coding. In 20 days higher level, we find out a shooting star, maybe a reversal opportunity. We can follow with this, and I'm going to save the scan with the name of test. I'm not going to, it's about a private one. If you are searching, you will be not able to get it. So once you save the scanner, then only you can able to get the logic. So means you are going to get the idea. So then, yeah, how many stocks we find out for the same opportunity based on the shooting star. Recently, yesterday, we find manually Adani port. So that we discussed about Adani port. Based on that entry also, which we are triggered on daily time frame. Sorry, it's a Adani port, right? So Adani port, which forming a perfect shooting star at the top level, and that it generated the result from 730. Now it is moving down to 700. Most the day lows around 708. So more than 20 points it generated today, and the next day itself it's broken the low. But maybe the risk is high. We are going to keep only the stop loss above the wick. So maybe a positional trade, not for an intraday. But if I'm following for an intraday, that can be giving you such a good opportunity. And 20 points is the better opportunity. And only one stock which we are finding yesterday, and Ambuja Cement and ACC. So both forming as such a pattern. Ambuja Cement, yeah, perfect. This will also be a shooting star. Look at this perfect shooting star after a consecutive higher in the trend, and we find out the shooting star. That is what a exact reversal candle, trend reversal candle pattern, which forms at the top of the trend. So maybe we are expecting the reversal, and that is what also happening. The low of that particular day is 424. Today 419. So more than 5 rupees, which down after that low broken. So only the low break, then only we can going to focus for a trade opportunity. Okay. And the ACC, the next one should be the ACC. ACC also such a good move today, and that low of that particular day, yesterday's low, that was what a perfect shooting star. The low was broken 1810, and today's low is around 1776, almost 30 plus point 30, near about 30 plus points, which is generative based on this candlestick expression. This is what a reversal pattern which I find out based on that starting scanners, and even previous, and it is not repaint. So that's a most important conditions. Even the stop loss also it never repaint. And May 12th GNFC Marico Bajaj Auto. So let me go to check how it is working. GNFC 12th May here. Here you can see there is a lower level, and initially it triggers you, then it is a stop loss. Here it is triggering your stop loss. Still the stock will be in the list. In customized or repaintable scanners, if any stock which triggers your stop loss, then the stock would be removed from the list. And that is what the major drawback. If you are watching some scanners, it may be giving you such a good result, 95%, 100%. But that are the thing which we are going to check the it's about repaintable. Okay, so we can also create a repaintable scanners. It's about the conditions which we have used, but we don't want to do it. But after the stop loss, we are expecting the trend reversal at the top level, but it was not given you the reversal. But after 2 or 3 days, it was such a big reversal which is happening at the top level. That's a one more stock which we find out, GNFC. And some other stock after that, Marico on the same date. Rico on the same, yeah, perfect. I think here this one is looking good. At this top we are finding a big reversal, and clearly the reversal which is happening, it may be generative more than 1:2 like that. So at this point, what should be my risk? Risk is about 1%. And from that top, this point it down by maximum 3.4%. That was a great move. At the top level, we are focusing for a trend reversal. At the bottom, we are focusing for a buy. And top, we are focusing for a sell. And one more stock, Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Auto, which I find out here that the trade which is triggers after 3 days later, and still it is on, but it was not triggered our stop loss. I hope you understood how I'm picking out the stocks for my trade opportunity. That will help me for my trade setup. That will give you such a good result at the top level. And based on this is what a scanner which I used for my shooting star, right? So if I want to go for a 15-minute shooting star, how we can go for a 15-minute shooting star by using this method? Let me do it right now. The same scanner, we can change for here we are finding for a 20 days high, right? Right, 20 days higher level we are finding it. So maybe a 60 days higher level. If I change that day, we will be getting very less number of stocks. Okay, so maybe you can see the changes in that particular. Around April 11th, we have some stocks in Titan. Let me go to check 11th April whether the pattern is right or wrong. So 11th April, 20th April, 13th April. Yeah, you can see the 11th April. So maybe here it may be a stop loss trade. Initially, it given you the breakout and it maybe triggers your stop loss. After that, it moves higher. No problem at all. But we find out that opportunity at the top level. So that is what an important. So we are finding a the stock, even though it is stop loss, it will be there in the list. So that back test would be a reliable back test. Okay. So if it is a 15 minutes, simply go for a 15 minutes for intraday opportunity. So wherever you have a latest time frame, then I can change for a 15 minutes. And simply we are going to focus for 15 minutes. Then here, sorry, it must be a, yeah, 15 minutes only. So here and again 15 minutes in the 15 minutes, that here only changes is the -1 previous candle 15 minutes, then you can go for 15 minutes time frame. You can get it today live market 24th May, and here is around 23rd May, and after the 23rd May. So today at 9:45 Sinjin is the stock which forming a such a pattern. So let me check on 15 minutes whether it works right or wrong. Look at this. 10:45 here. So very nominal candle, maybe a first time. Maybe we can consider this as maybe this may be a stop loss kind of trade because very minimum, and maybe it triggers in the lower side and it quicks down. After that, which one is happening first, we cannot able to find right now. So maybe it is a stop loss trade, so we can take as a stop loss now around 9:45 after Torrent Pharma, Tata Consumer 10:15. Torrent Pharma here 10:15. Yeah, that broken the low, and even a liquidity issue, but no problem. So broken the low and closed by good profit. The stop loss is not triggered. And Tata Consume the second one on 15 minutes time frame. So you can change a number of time frame. Tata Consume at 10:15. Yeah, it doesn't give you the opportunity. Look at this. The low of that particular candle is not broken. Instead of that, it broken the high. So maybe invalid. Without breaking the low, if it has break the high, that may be an invalid candle that we are focusing for. That was not happening. And after some times later, we want to find out a Bharat Forge. Bharat Forge in 2:30. It's about the 23rd May. When did we get it? Around yeah, I think it is the 23rd May only. 23rd 2:30 p.m. So here I think 23rd 2:30 p.m. So perfect down, but it was not happening on the day, but it is given you the opportunity today only. So that is also working better. I think we have seen this one 24, and here is the one more trade, Hero Motocorp at 11:15. Hero Motocorp 11:15 maybe this. Initially it broken and it moves down, maybe around 1:1, and then it triggers your stop loss. Okay, something like that at this green one Indo Hotel, and the time is around 12:45. 12:45. That's a perfect trade again. So from that level is broken 376. It moved on to 373.8. Maybe my stop loss is 377.4. At least 1:1. That is given you such a good opportunity from this particular trade that works well. So here it's about a 15 minutes time frame. So let me save. Save as. Okay, submit. This is one more one. So we find out today in 15 minutes as well as daily. The shooting star candle that will give you such a good opportunity to find out the higher level trend reversal with a small stop loss if you find out, and that we can go for. If it is any stocks which is showing you the bigger stop loss, no need to go for that stock. So simply you can ignore the stock, and better to avoid such a stocks to trade. Okay. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, hit your like button and share to your friends. And one more thing, if you want to take access about the scanners, the one-time charges, sorry, one yearly charges, which is there in our Telegram group. If you want, you can join on this group. I will provide you the link in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.